係華之處基金會嘅籌款晚宴。咁首先咧，我係想介紹一下主席嘉賓嘅。咁喺我最遠嗰邊開始咧，就係有吳國旗先生係我哋華之處基金會嘅會長。咁佢亦都係我哋兒童資源中心嘅共同主席，舊年共同主席嚟嘅。咁第二位咧就係何浩景先生 Alan Ho， 咁佢咧就係今次晚會嘅共同主席，亦都係我哋華之處基金會嘅副會長。咁第三位咧就係鄺超明先生，咁Francis 咧就係亦都係我哋今次嘅共同主席啦，佢亦都係我哋華之處基金會嘅會董，亦都係今次晚會裏邊高 sponsor 代表 Justice。咁隔離咧就係李謝榮欣女士，就係支持咗 Alice 咧就支持咗華之處好多嘅 event 㗎啦。咁Alice 咧就係Alice 兒科嘅全國事務總監。咁隔離咧就係 David 咧就係黎壽晶先生。咁 David 咧就係首次咧就係參加我哋華之處嘅活動啦。咁好高興我同埋其他兩位共同主席啦，take up個 challenge 去幫我哋籌款。咁而David 咧亦都係今次 Diamond Sponsor 代表皇家銀行。隔離嗰位大家都識啦，就係華之處基金會嘅行政總監胡偉思 Danny。咁或者我首先請 Patrick 同我哋講講呢次嘅 event 同埋華之處基金會嘅歷史啊。
大家好首先第一次多謝大家同歡迎大家出席呢一個嘅記者招待會。咁其實咧，大家都會知道咧，華之處基金會嘅成立咧，主要就係支持華之處提供社會嘅服務俾新移民嚟嘅。咁而我哋本身華之處咧，主要都係由政府嘅唔同嘅階層嘅政府部門咧，提供呢一啲經費去提供呢啲服務俾新移民嘅社區。但係其實佢哋所提供嘅經費咧，始終都未能夠滿足華之處嘅需要嘅。所以我哋每一年咧都會舉辦唔同嘅籌款嘅活動，特別就係每一年一度嘅藝匯日咧，就係呢個目的去籌措一啲未足夠嘅部分咧，使到華之處嘅服務咧能夠繼續去提供俾社區。咁其實今年咧就將會係我哋第13屆嘅藝匯日，亦都係一個社區非常之期待一個嘅活動嚟嘅。咁喺過往嘅經驗嘅成績方面咧，我哋都知得到咧，係得到好多社區嘅商業機構啦，同埋個別嘅私人嘅人士、善長人咧，都係非常之支持呢一個藝匯日籌款晚會嘅。咁今次咧，我係特別要多謝Alan Francis 同埋 David 係能夠擔起呢支大旗，又再為我哋做今次嘅共同主席，去為我哋嘅目標13萬嘅籌款目標去一齊去努力。咁我亦都更加多謝就係 Alice 代表Alice 俾我哋嘅支持啦，同埋所有嘅贊助商，多謝。
唔知大家記唔記得喺80年代有套戲咧叫做《Three Men and a Baby》，就係三個成功嘅男士咧，就去好多嘅心機咧，有一個 BB。咁如果 RCD 係我哋嘅 BB 嘅話咧，咁我哋睇下呢3位成功嘅男士咧，今次點樣去做呢個籌委會成員。咁首先我哋請 Alan 嚟講幾句説話。
Good morning, everybody. I'm Alan Ho, one of the co-chairs for this event. I believe my fellow co-chairs will share the sentiment that it is a tremendous honor and privilege to be able to play a key role in RC Day, an event that benefits such a worthy organization, CICS, right? Many of us are immigrants, have taken a journey, learned invaluable lessons, and built a life in Canada. I'm just delighted to have the opportunity to pay it forward to those who come after us. So I urge you to please support this year's Art Day, which is to be held on Saturday, November 24th, 2007, at Markham Hilton Suite Conference Center and Spa. Tickets are only $150 and $180.
many good singers, entertainers, featured as a feature performer in the RC Day function. This year, we decided to make a change. Instead of inviting the overseas singers or talents, we have decided to invite the local talents. Our lineup this year includes the talented hip-hop and R&B singer Jane Lu. Her Chinese name is called Lou Deng. She has won many awards and has released her first album. Jane is a singer and she also composes her own music. We also have the Canadian performer Lance Lindsay, and his voice is very similar to Elvis Presley and Elton John. In addition to the solo performance by Jane and Lance, they will perform a special duet as a special feature in the show. Hope to see you all in this year's RC Day, and I hope you equally enjoy the entertainment this year. Thank you.
大家好，正話 Barbara 講過咧，個 BB 咧3位男士想話大啊，咁我哋一定會追嚟做啊。咁同埋每個 BB 咧長大咧會雙聲道，講中文同英文。咁或者而家以下呢個段落啦，我用中文。就除咗以上正話你介紹過嘅精彩節目咧，大會安排嘅話，就亦都準備咗好多名貴獎品啦，呢個抽獎嘅。咁或者我而家咧介紹下啲獎品，或者由第5個獎開始講先啦，由細講到大，就精彩啲。第5個獎咧就由 Hilton Swiss Toronto Markham Conference Spa 嘅捐出嚟，佢價值咧係332蚊嘅雙人豪華套房1晚，同埋中午自助餐。咁真係唔錯啊！第4獎咧就係我哋嘅 title sponsor Thales 年科送出價值350蚊嘅 Samsung M620 PCS 手機，一個好靚嘅手機。第3獎咧就係由加拿大道明銀行送出嘅價值740蚊蘋果80GB iPod Video 同埋 Boss iPod 嘅3DOT音樂系統，一個非常之靚嘅系統嚟。好啦，一講2獎啦，精彩啦，就2獎係由家居設備中心送出價值一共3500蚊喜萬能先進全能中央理水系統。咁知道大家即係飲水好緊要啊！而家大家健康着想，呢個獎亦都非常非常之好。嗱，越嚟越精彩。後獎啦，後獎咧就由東亞旅遊送出價值一共5000蚊嘅雙人來回多倫多同埋北京嘅機票。包括咗北京有3晚嘅酒店同埋長嘅1日遊，非常非常之精彩嘅獎品，非常貴獎品。咁更重要就係除咗做善事啦，呢個抽獎券咧都係有限量咁發行嘅。咁所以咧中獎機會咧就可想而知啊，就係一個字好大機會。所以買多啲咧，中獎機會咧越大。而且每張只不過係5蚊啫，咁啊非常之 affordable。咁希望大家支持。除咗做善事啦，做善事之外都可以攞大獎。多謝各位。
咁而家我哋請 Thales 過嚟，Thales 啦 ，Thales 已經係第2年做我哋藝會嘅首席贊助㗎。講幾句説話。
各位來賓大家好，咁 Thales 哥咧就好榮幸，再次係成為藝會嘅首席贊助。我哋覺得咧係之前華之柱係好開心嘅，因為你睇到即係佢哋係好落力為我哋社區貢獻啦，同埋為新移民有好多資訊
朋友啦，咁而家想睇下咁多位主持人。